Free lucky spins in Blue Lock. Every single new and working code that you can redeem right now for free lucky spins. You can get free lucky spins, you get some free cash as well. We got all the new and working codes. The only thing that you need to do is open up your code bar and type along. Zoom in, zoom in, zoom in, zoom in. Comment a heart emoji if you have no Robux. If you have no Robux, comment a heart emoji in the comments down below. Also, like this video and subscribe for future codes. There will be more codes dropping in the future, and you do not want to miss out on those. The first code, we hit 2 million. 2 million. This is the first code that you need to redeem. You're gonna get 10 lucky spins. Ronaldo number 7. January 3rd, 2048. Shouting man, fire emoji. The next code is going to be W Miro W Myro Wyro W Wyro Myro Ronaldo. This one gives you 5 lucky spins. Free 5 Lutsky spins. Lucky spins. The next one is Lucky Genius. Lucky Genius. Lazy Lucky Genius. Is that the Chirolo code? That is gonna be the Chirolo code. What is the next update? Summer Part 3. Notify. 1.2 million interested for a code. We did already hit the milestone. W Chirolo. Don't forget to comment down below, as well as like and sub up for future codes.